class, I wanted to take a moment to emphasize the importance of reading the textbook before watching the lecture videos. As you know, we have lecture videos that accompany the textbook for each section, but they are now a substitute for reading the textbook. The textbook is a comprehensive resource that provides in-depth explanations, examples, and exercises to help you master the material. It is an essential component of the course, and I encourage you to spend time reading and engaging with the material before watching the lecture videos. While the textbook provides a solid foundation of the concepts, the lecture videos offer real-world examples that illustrate how the concepts are applied in the practice. By watching these examples, you will be able to see how the concept works in practice and gain a deeper understanding of how they can be applied to different scenarios. For example, this week in the lecture videos, we will explore how Amazon, Apple, and BMW create values for their customers through product features, service quality, and brand image, and how to use customer value and customer lifetime value to inform their business decision. By combining the strengths of both resources, you will gain a deeper understanding of the material and be better equipped to apply it in your professional and personal life. So let's get started. In this video, we will talk about two essential concepts: customer value assessment and customer valuation. Customer value assessment is all about understanding how customers perceive value in your products or services. By gaining insights into the benefits your customer associate with your offering, you can make a more informed decision about product development, pricing, and marketing strategies. These insights can help you build better relationships with your customers, identify opportunities for growth, and drive the business success. Customer valuation, on the other hand, is a quantitative measure of the financial value of a customer to your business over time. By measuring customer valuation, you can make a data-driven decision about resource allocation, customer engagement strategies, and retention efforts. Understanding your customer valuation can help you prioritize your investments, focus your marketing efforts, and drive revenue growth. In this lecture, we will be using real-world examples from companies like Amazon, Apple, and BMW to illustrate how this concept applied in practice.